All right, a quick update on CTX here. So CTX is not bullish right now. We're down below the 382. We're still making lower highs. We did have the nice move off of that bottom formation and that support box there, but ultimately it's really not doing anything right now. So we're above the 236, so the bottom is confirmed in at the moment. And then if we go smaller really quick here, you can see that if we go from the low here to the high, we did just bounce off of the 618. We're above the 0.5, so it does look good in that respect there. So once you get over about 274 here, you're back to being short-term bullish over that 382, and maybe that'll send you up to the macro 382 at about 373 to be macro bullish here, which would be a huge step in the right direction here for CTX. But as of right now, if you're not in on CTX, I mean, there's still time to buy, I would say, before this thing ends up running in 2025. So with that being said, I did look online for just a moment, and there's prices all over the place, of course, but there's people calling for this thing to hit $500 to $1,000. So I don't know if that's going to happen this cycle, maybe next time, if there is a next time. But as of right now, from where you are right now, let me get this done real quick before we move on. But if you hold up and you get over that 382 and get to the macro 382 once again, it'll send you up about 50%. So just keep that in mind. And then, of course, that support you're holding right now, the support to hold, I forgot to mention that. Let's bring that back up really quick here before this one gets a little too long. So the support is 245 right now. So as long as you're holding above that, you have a shot at getting bullish back over 274 and then eventually 373 there. Now, with that being said about the larger targets here, we do have the couple of targets that we've been watching on CTX. Of course, the 786 retracement here in a bull market, 133 million market cap potentially, and that would take you up to the price of about $19 to $20 here. And then if you think this thing's going to go higher, maybe this thing breaks the previous high, which was about, I think, 43 and a half or $44. Not accurate on this chart, but this is the best chart we have, the Gemini chart here. But maybe you get a 20x up to $50 on CTX this cycle, and then maybe it does go higher. Maybe it does hit this $100 range, 140, just under a billion market cap would take you all the way up here, which is a decent move, by the way, about a 54x almost. So that is a large move for pretty much anything. And if it's going to go higher than that, it's almost a 100x all the way up to the next stop, 1414 here, as you can see, up to about $250. So of course, comment down below, do your own research on this one. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.